social media in India is that we are still in a kind of an evolutionary state. Perhaps right now the hype seems to be a little more than reality. Maybe a year back, social media in India was like a concept set. You know, we had to go and kind of make a pitch at a VP level, and the second meeting happening at a CEO level, and taking about 4 to 5 months for a pitch actually to close. But now it seems to have got into every brand manager's KRA to kind of get onto social media. So we are seeing that requirement of creating Facebook page and Twitter account and YouTube channel. But we believe that the whole realization of the true power of medium, how you can listen and use the listening to derive communication, we are still a little away from that, at least a good 6 to 9 months away, where we'll start getting into these hard questions of really understanding that once I have a community of 100,000 or 5,000 fans, what do I do with those fans? So right now the race seems to be that, you know, let's make our community large, let's have a lot of fans, let's have a lot of followers. But the true ROI comes in when you are able to now listen and interact with your community and draw some kind of a value. So I think right now the hype is probably a little more than what reality is, but maybe in another 6 to 9 months time, we should get at a level where we'll see the first successful case studies coming out of India.
So what are the metrics that your clients currently ask you for?
So currently metrics are in terms of, you know, number of fans, number of followers, number of likes, number of comments, okay, the amount of engagement that has happened. Broadly, those are the kind of metrics. In my opinion, the metrics have to be a little more qualitative than quantitative. It is not just about the number of fans, the number of clients. You know, can I, for example, if I have 100,000 fans, find out who are my top 500 fans who come to my page every single day and put a comment on every single update? And if I find out these 500 guys, can I pull them aside and roll out the red carpet for them? Can I give them my product previews in advance? Okay, my information in advance, so they can go and talk about me? If 500 of my brand ambassadors can go and talk about me, it can create far more advocacy than what I can do talking on my fan page. So if I had to look at a 100,000 fan base, I would see, let's start doing segmentation. Let us find those 500 guys who can actually become my brand advocates. Let me build relationship with them. Let me get them to actually talk about me. Let me find the next 10,000 guys who come once a while and see how can I get them to come to me every day. And then there is everybody else. I mean, that is really, you need to look at your fan segmentation base, not in terms of raw numbers. So I think this whole movement of understanding the quality aspect of the number still needs to sink in.
And can you talk a little bit about the success stories that you've been a part of?
So I guess one of the brands we are working with is a very large entertainment brand, and they run a number of TV channels across area, and they've gone on record saying how successful social media has been for them. There's some interesting work we did for a pharma company which was actually in the area of listening, and this company has a certain drug, and around the drug they had certain hypotheses in terms of how do consumers actually react to the positioning of that drug in the marketplace. So we came up with like 8 or 10 different hypotheses and did a very detailed listening exercise by using tools and digging into social media conversations to pull out those real people talking to each other about various kind of products to be able to correlate what is happening to the hypothesis. You know? So somewhere we believe that a lot of ROI of social media will actually come in listening. It's about listening, and from listening deriving your communication point. Today the industry sees listening and communication as two independent things. Okay, I talk and I listen. But the point is, you finally need to listen and use that listening to derive all your communication, be it mass communication, TV communication, social media communication, product communication, everything has to come from there.
So do you want to share a few words about what does your company do, Social Wavelength?
Social Wavelength, we are a social media agency. We work with almost about 50 brands. We have a team of about 90 people. And we help brands create social media strategies, execute those strategies. We do listening, we do monitoring. We offer a complete 360 service for brands.
And how do we find you online?
www.socialwavelength.com, or you can Twitter me at @HarryTips.
Thank you.